How to enable observation haki on Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about unlocking the observation haki, which is also known as Ken Haki. So the requirements are that you need to reach level 300 or higher, and you need to have at least 750,000 belly, and do not have the full body booster haki only, which is a separate haki. So go to the upper Skylands top area in the first sea, then find the Lord of Destruction, an NPC. He is inside a small temple building on the top of the highest islet. Talk to him and buy Observation Haki for 750,000. Now press the E key on your PC. This activates the Observation Haki, and you'll get enhanced dodge ability. You can dodge attacks automatically, and then you will have the ability to see enemies through the walls, and enemies are highlighted with the colored outlines. And on mobile, you can tap on Haki or observation icon on your screen, and you start with 2 dodges and can level up to 8 dodges by dodging more attacks without getting hit and not dying while using the observation. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.